If you are looking for a smart way to build an online business without spending a lot of money, then you need to see this. LeadsLeap is an all-in-one online marketing platform that gives you tools, training, and traffic in one place. The biggest benefit of LeadsLeap is that it saves you money because instead of paying for many different tools every month, you get everything included in one free account. With LeadsLeap, you get professional landing pages that you can use to promote any offer. You get link tracking so you always know what is working and what is not. You get list building tools, including capture pages and follow-up systems. You get free traffic from the LeadsLeap advertising network. You get step-by-step training for beginners and advanced marketers. You get daily exposure to people who are already interested in making money online. Another huge benefit is that LeadsLeap is beginner-friendly. You do not need technical skills. You do not need to buy hosting. You do not need to buy autoresponders. Everything is already set up for you. LeadsLeap also helps you earn money in multiple ways. You can promote your own products. You can promote affiliate offers. You can earn commissions by sharing LeadsLeap itself, and you can build long-term passive income. The free membership alone is more powerful than many paid tools out there. And if you choose to upgrade later, it is still far cheaper than paying for separate services every month. In short, LeadsLeap gives you the tools, the training, and the traffic you need to succeed online, all while saving you time, money, and frustration. So if you are ready to get started right now, click the link in the description. Create your free LeadsLeap account today and start building your online income step by step.